again, there's this difference that allows us not to be compatible. And I desire for my children that they get to distinguish this for them in their relationships. Because you can meet absolutely wonderful people. If it seems that you're not compatible, okay, then how do you deal with that further on? So depending if this pendulum is perhaps your marriage or your family or your culture, these things are ingrained in your daily life at a high level, is a daily challenge to make sure that what is your vibrational frequency? Because by you prioritizing yourself and you working on yourself, there's a difference in energy. The pendulum doesn't dance anymore in the way, or doesn't do the tango anymore like it did before. And by you becoming aware, you also change the interaction that happens when you're unconscious. So knowing that the power always starts with you. I also know that your thoughts have power. One of the things that you also can do for yourself to have peace and to forgive them or forgive you, not knowing that you were given your energy, your power to them, is agree with yourself in your mind, they act ideal. Because when you, with your thoughts, expect people to behave a certain way, you also send that energy to them. You are very powerful with your mind. So all your thoughts, all your feelings, they contribute to keeping things alive as well, even though you don't want it. I just want you to be aware, this is the power of your mind. We are way more powerful than we think we are. So, and by you becoming aware, it's one thing. By you knowing how to support yourself to this level of acceptance, and then how you deal further to move on towards your goals. So there's many layers to this. Know that you create things with your thoughts when you expect negative things to happen. Because you, it's a self-fulfilling prophecy. That's the power of the subconscious mind. And then you just say like, see, I knew it was going to happen. Once you are moving towards, I knew this was going to happen. And when it's about something negative, then you have been focusing on the things you don't want. This is also you becoming aware that you can train your mind to focus on how you want things to happen. Let me see, where's the drawing? Imagine you're in this end state, okay? The thoughts that you engage with and the emotions that you engage with are definitely different than the one who's saying, I knew this is going to happen. Can you see that? Because a person who is living the end goal is focused on prioritizing yourself. You're focused on improving yourself. You're focused on supporting yourself. You're focused on that full embodiment of the energy. So this is about you becoming aware full on. This is why it's a lifetime of training to do this. Okay, because perhaps the conditioning, before you really got aware is 30, 20, 40, 50, 60 years. What could be other triggers for you as well that will throw you off, that allowed you to go unconscious? Yeah, absolutely, for me as well. Yes, I can relate to that as well.